If you guys want to know how I got all of these items for under $9, then make sure to keep watching. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be sharing with you my Target digital couponing haul. So this means that I got all of these deals and all these prices with only using my phone. I use the Target app as well as the Ibotta app, and both of those app links will be down below in the description box if you don't have either one of those. So without further ado, let's get into it. Before I go digital couponing, and if you guys don't know, which you might not because this is my first real couponing video on this channel, then I don't use paper coupons. It's too much of a hassle, and I can do a whole separate video on that if you guys are curious. But I've resorted to only using coupons on my phone, whether that's in the store apps or doing rebate apps like Ibotta. So this way it's so much easier. I don't have to deal with the hassle of cutting coupons, dealing with crazy cashiers, and everything's on my phone in their own store app, so they really can't give me a hard time. So let me just show you guys quickly what I got. So I got a Schick Hydro 5 razor. This is the Hydro 5 Sense, and this comes with one razor blade as well as 2 refills, and this is priced at $8.99. Next, I got this Oral-B Breath Therapy Rinse. This is the 16-ounce bottle, and this was $8.99 as well. I got this Bic Solel, I don't know how to say that, Balance razors. This comes with 2 razors with 5 blades, and this is the one with shea butter in it, and this was $5.99. I got this twin pack of Edge 7-ounce shave gels, and this was it was $5.49. A Skintimate Bloom liquid foaming liquid shave cream. This is the 6.75 ounce, and this was $4.99. I got this 3-pack of Renews It air fresheners, and this was $2.89. And lastly, I got this, how big is this? 28-ounce Powerade sports drink, and this was 79 cents. If I was just to go in the store and buy all of these products with no coupons, no rebates or anything, it would cost me $38.13, but you guys know that that doesn't fly with me, and I'm gonna get it for a way better deal than that. So I used 4 digital coupons in the Target app, and again, this app will be linked down below in the description box. If you guys shop at Target and you are not using this app, you are not utilizing all your saving potential, so definitely recommend you download it. It is 100% free, and you get a lot of benefits. So I will show you guys this on the screen, but there are 4 coupons that you'll need to clip if you're going to do this exact deal. There is a $2 off the Oral-B as well as a 25% off. Now, I will explain kind of how it went down for me at the register because I did have some difficulties, but I'm not sure exactly which one comes off first. In my case scenario, they had to manually take the $2 off and then take the 25% off. So you might get a better deal if the 25% off comes off first, but if not, then this will be the same scenario as me. So anyways, those coupons can stack. So you will use the $2 coupon as well as a 25% off coupon. So those are 2 separate coupons that you need to clip in your app. The next one is the $4 off the Schick Hydro 5. It's either off of this exact one where it has 1 razor and 2 refills, or it's off the I think 5-pack of refills, but that's more expensive, so you definitely want to go just for the razor with the 2 refills. And the last coupon, again, if you're doing this exact deal, is the $1 off either Edge or Skintimate. It's only $1 off one or the other, not both. So you can either take it off of the $4.99 or the $5.49. It really doesn't matter because it's just $1 off one. So you want to make sure you clip all 4 of those coupons, and again, I will have this app link down below, and I will show this on the screen so you guys can get a better idea of what exact coupons you need to clip. After all of those digital coupons come off, your total should be down to $29.39 plus tax. But again, you guys, we're going to keep getting it lower and lower and lower. Now, on top of the coupons that we just used, Target's also running a promo: buy 4 select personal care items, $3.99 or more, and get a $5 gift card. So of course we had to use that and stack that with this deal. The items I bought that qualified for that $5 gift card is this 2-pack of the Edge. I bought this Bic razor as well as this Schick razor, and both of these were above $3.99. And then I also bought this Oral Rinse, which was obviously above $3.99. So I qualified for that $5 gift card. Let's say you just paid $29.39 out of pocket. That still sounds like a lot, but the way that you're gonna save the most money is by rebate apps. I'm telling you guys, it might seem like kind of ridiculous because you're still paying a little bit more out of pocket at first, but once you get these rebate apps and once you start getting cash back, you can use the cash back you get to buy more stuff, get more rebates, and so on and so forth. So it seems like a long process and a money spending process at first, but trust me guys, when you get this money back, it'll be so worth it. So anyway, you'll pay $29.39 out of pocket. You'll get that $5 gift card back. So just remember that, and we're gonna deduct that from our total rebates. But right now, just remember you pay $29.39 out of pocket. Now we're gonna head on over to the Ibotta app. This app will be linked down below in the description box. I absolutely love it. You get cash back on everyday purchases. Just so you guys know, that link down below is a referral link, which I will get, I think, $5 if you guys redeem an offer. But if you guys wanna get your own and sign up on your own, that's fine with me. I just highly recommend this app. I've made over $700 in the past few years just from redeeming rebates for my everyday purchases. So definitely check it out. I can do a separate video on that if you want. But anyway, head on over to that Ibotta app. What you want to do is you want to go to the Target store. You guys can check rebates by store. So you want to go to the Target store, and these are the rebates that you want to redeem before you go in the store. So that means you want to click the check mark on the rebates before you go in the store, so that when you get out of the store and you've bought all your items, that you can just upload your receipt and get your money. So definitely redeem the offers before you go in the store. The offers that you're going to want to redeem are the Powerade one. You will get 25 cents back for buying this Powerade. The Edge Shave Gel rebate, you will get $1 back for buying this. The Bic Premium Razor rebate, you will get $3 back for buying this. The Schick Razor rebate, you will get $2 back for buying this. The Skintimate rebate, you will get $2 back for buying this. Oral-B rebate, you will get $2 back for buying this. And lastly, the Renews It rebate, which you will get $1 back for buying. So in total, you would get $11.25 back from Ibotta for buying all of these qualifying items. So again, let's remember, you will pay $29.39 out of pocket, you will get a $5 gift card, and you will get $11.25 back, which we will deduct from the $29.39 in just a second. Now, on top of getting $11.25 back from Ibotta, I have a bonus offer, which Ibotta always does bonus offers. They do vary, so you might not have this exact bonus offer, but definitely check which one you have, because this is extra money back just for redeeming rebates. So I had a bonus offer. I redeemed 6 rebates within the time frame, and it ends today, so I'm lucky I did it today. I will get an extra $5 back. Isn't that amazing, guys? All I have to do is redeem 6 rebates, which I easily did, and I will get an extra $5 back on top of the $11.25 that I got. So let's do some math here. So we pay $29.39 out of pocket. After I submit my Ibotta rebates and get my $5 Target gift card, let's do this. So $29.39 minus the $5 gift card puts us at $24.39. Minus the $11.25 that we get back from Ibotta puts us at $13.14. Minus the extra $5 we got from Ibotta for redeeming 6 offers puts us at $8.14 for all of these items, guys. Isn't that amazing? So yes, I did pay $29 out of pocket, but after rebates, which I already got all my cash back, it usually takes, it says up to 24 hours. I got mine within 30 minutes. It's just like I paid $8.14 out of pocket. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more couponing as well as cleaning and organization videos. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.